Hey everyone, if you're making videos and need high-quality background music without getting hit by copyright strikes, the YouTube audio library is your best friend. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to access it, find the perfect track, and download it directly as an MP3. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you are logged into your YouTube account. Go to the top right corner, click on your profile picture, and select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. This is your creator dashboard. Once you are inside YouTube Studio, look at the menu on the left side of your screen. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on Audio Library. This opens up a massive catalog of completely free music and sound effects provided directly by YouTube. Now for the fun part. You don't have to scroll blindly. Click the filter bar right here to sort by genre, mood, duration, or even the instruments used. If you want a happy cinematic track, just apply those filters. Hit the little play icon next to any song to preview it. Before we download, pay attention to the license type column. If you see a standard YouTube icon, you can use the track freely with no credit needed. If you see a CC, Creative Commons icon, the music is still free, but you must copy the artist details and paste them into your video's description. Always double-check this. Once you've found the perfect song, simply hover your mouse over the right side of the track's row. A download button will magically appear. Click it and the file will automatically save to your computer as a high-quality MP3 file. And that's it! You now have an MP3 ready to drop right into your editing software. If this video helped you out, please hit that like button and subscribe for more creator tutorials. See you in the next one.